guys, it's me, Sophie, from the 6th team on Angel's channel is... Thank you, so let's get started. First thing I will say, who is giving this, and Jesus, thanks for all of this. This is just simple from Philippines and not so expensive, but I want it. So let's get started. So I will just let you see the major. Major is just simple. I had many, but I will just see the major because some of it is so expensive. Yeah. So here is my friend. So thanks for my mom. She's giving me this hair turban. I like this, but I using this because my t-shirt is red. I like this because it's cottony and like, oh my gosh, it's so nice. If you're reflecting this, it's so nice. Oh my gosh, I'm just like cry. So I want it. Yeah. So I will let you see what's the next if I will use that. So hold on. Here. So this is the first, this cottony. Yeah. That is that. So hope you like that. First, I'm gonna put here so that it will be protected. Yeah. I have many like this. The next turban I will let you see is the color red. It's softy. So it's perfect my t-shirt today. Yeah. So what do you see? Isn't perfect? That is the color red. It's skinny. Yeah, I may look that. The next thing is color violet. Light violet. This is not too. Yeah. Here, so that's the color purple or violet. That will be perfect. Yeah. So that's my 3 hair turbans. They have to. I made this just a paper. Yeah. Red have 2, but I will use it. Next thing is some clips. So my mother. So sorry for that because my brother is so bad. So this hair clips, this is just simple, but this is so nice. It will sparkle. So we'll have here this color red, yeah, this sky blue or blue, and this pink, violet, black, and white. Yeah, but I love pink and red, and this and this and this. I love it, except for blue. Next thing I want to thanks for this very fragrant powder for all girls. Yeah. Here, this is the Louis and Pearl. Thanks to my mom. The next for this perfume, it's a Skin Shop. This is so expensive. It's so fragrant. If you can smell this, so nice. I want to thank you for this Tall Girl magazine for my mom. Thanks, Mom. Then next, sorry for that. This color skirt, this color gray, and I want it. Yeah, hope you have like this. I love it. I really love it. For the last is this ball, colorful ball, and it's so bouncy. Yeah, bouncy. Bouncy, bounce, 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 bounce. Oh my gosh, my speaker! Sorry for that. That is just amazing. So thanks for watching my video this week on Angel's channel. So hope you like this, and thank you to my mom and God, Jesus, for giving my blessings. So see you guys next week on Angel's channel. Bye.